How's it going, guys? Today what we're going to do is we're going to mount the door, get all the panel gaps perfect, and then what we're going to do, because it doesn't fit at the moment, what we'll do is we'll mark it out on the hinges and we'll drill a pilot hole in each hinge, so when all the paint's done we can just bolt it straight in, put the pilot pin in, and then it'll be nice and straight and we don't have to fuck around with damaging the paint afterwards. For as shit as these panels were, I think I got those pretty spot on.